Here's another completing the square problem. But notice the difference here. There's a number right here, this 2. And that changes things because our completing the square pattern and a lot of those ideas we just used does not really work if there's a number there. But that's fine. The way we deal with that is we can just divide everything by that number. We can just divide everything by 2. And then it's no problem. So then we have x squared. Of course, this also divided by 2. But 0 divided by 2 is 0, luckily. And now we can implement the completing the square pattern. And that'll let us see just how easy the completing the square actually is. So let's remember what the pattern is. If we have x squared plus bx, that's equal to x plus half of b squared minus that number squared. And so we can just do that real quick. We can just say x minus 2 squared minus 2 squared, 4. And then minus 5 halves equals 0. And then we'll just progress. So we'll move all those numbers to the right. So we'll combine those first. So what is that? Common denominator. So negative 8 over 2. Negative 8 minus 5 is negative 13 over 2. Add it to the other side. And then square root both sides. So we get x minus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 13 over 2. And then the last thing is just add 2 to both sides. And this is an answer. This is not a visually pleasing answer. But this is an answer. There's nothing better we can really do to that. Because 2 and a square root, like the square root of 13 over 2, if we could do that perfectly, we should. That's like what we have done in previous problems, but we can't here. And so that's just our answer. And there's nothing wrong with that. And you see how easy completing the square can be once you know that pattern.